Most horses, even if they're touching their backs, they still enjoy the legs getting done. Oh, good girl. There we go. Oh, there we go. Very good. There we go. I think these stretches are so beneficial for them. Oh, good girl. Especially if you don't force it and you just let them work it to their own comfort. And then when you find out what their end range of that comfort is, you ask them for a little bit more. Girl. Really nice. You can find my equine stretching course in my link tree, which is the link in my profile. That's a good girl. There's a good girl. There we go. There's a nice release in the shoulder again. Good. Awesome. Girl.